Very good morning, dear students. Hope you are safe and sound. Dear students, today I am going to start new chapter, fresh chapter, and that is nationalism in India. So dear students, this chapter is very important, and most of the questions from history are asked from this chapter. Now I am going to describe question number 1. Write 5 factors that lead to the spread of national movement after 1919. So dear students, these are 5 very important points, and I am going to describe every point one by one. So first point is increase in taxes. Increase in taxes. So dear students, after 1919, we see a spread of national movement in India due to following reasons. So first reason was that World War II ended in 1918, in which British government had spent huge amount of money. So new kind of taxes as well as especially income tax got introduced in India so that British government could make up its financial loss of World War II. Second point is increase in price between 1913 to 1918. So dear students, price of common goods and services also increased sharply between 1913 to 1918 in India due to World War II. Is forced recruitment. You know that as Britishers wanted more and more armies in World War II, so they started to recruit villagers and farmers from India forcefully in British Army. Next one is crops failure 1918 to 1921. So period between 1918 to 1921 also saw huge crop failure in India due to widespread drought, in which millions of Indians died due to hunger and hardship. Next one is influenza epidemic 1918. Time period between 1918 to 1921 also faced an epidemic of influenza in which 17 to 18 million people, 17 to 18 million people died in India. There were few reasons that enraged and prepared Indian people for a complete revolution that appeared in the form of national movement. And now I am going to describe question number 2. List 5 important characteristics of the idea of Satyagraha. So these are 5 very important points. So you know that Mahatma Gandhi returned to India in January 1915. In January 1915 and introduced idea of Satyagraha. So first point is power of truth. So the idea of Satyagraha says that if you are true in your aspiration and your demand is genuine, you will find and achieve your goal one day without fight and without war. Second point is physical force not needed. This idea says that if you are fighting against injustice, you will win it only with spiritual force. Physical force cannot help you to achieve your goal in this regard. Next point is non-violence. He always emphasized that anyone can win battle against oppression or any kind of discrimination only by walking on the path of non-violence. Next one is appeal to the conscience. He also said that we can achieve our goal only by convincing our enemies and by appealing to their heart and conscience. Next, after arriving in India, he organized 3 very successful satyagraha in 1917 in Champaran and Kheda, and in 1918 in Ahmedabad, where he raised problems of indigo farmers and common farmers and mill workers in front of British government through peaceful way, and he also got tremendous success in this regard that made him hero of the nation. Now I am going to describe question number 3. how did the Rowlatt Satyagraha lead to the infamous Jallianwala Bagh massacre? So these are very important points. The Rowlatt Act was an unjust and brutal law that had given enormous power to the British government. It had been passed without any discussion and deliberation with any Indian leader. According to that law, government of India at that time could arrest anyone and could detain him or her without trial for 2 years in jail. So Gandhiji organized Rowlatt Satyagraha. Gandhiji organized Rowlatt Satyagraha to convince British government to invalidate that law. As a result, rallies and hartals were organized in every Indian cities and towns on the call of Gandhi ji. So first point is brutal and unjust law, and second point is organization of rallies. Okay, and I have grabbed these 2 points. Third is arrest of leaders. Okay, so British government did not want to surrender to Gandhiji, so it ordered police to arrest famous nationalist leaders so that Indian people could be discouraged. Okay, so next one is imposition of martial law. And when people heard news of the arrest of nationalist leaders, they started to attack on banks, railways, stations and post offices. Next one is death of hundred of people. So British government saw it as a golden opportunity to impose martial law in Amritsar on 10th April. A total curfew, complete curfew was organized, and that curfew disabled people from moving or from going outside of their home. And you know what happened on April? On 13th April. So on 13th April, people had gathered in Jallianwala Bagh for Baisakhi fair, and they don't know about martial law because Jallianwala Bagh was far away from the city of Amritsar. So General Dyer used it as an opportunity and opened fire on innocent people gathered there, in which hundreds of people died, and there were children, there were old people, there were women, so they died due to that fire. I'm going to describe question number 4. Write 3 after effects of Jallianwala Bagh incident. So you know that Jallianwala Bagh massacre shook India from its core. Widespread mob and crowds gathered in every cities and towns in North India. Hartals and strikes became very, very common. So these are few points. Widespread resentment. So people of India became disappointed and they start feeling hatred with the British government. Okay, as a result, clashes with police and attack on government building became part of daily life. Okay, but when Gandhiji saw that violence did not appear to end up, he decided to suspend Rowlatt Satyagraha because he was hardcore follower of non-violence and peace. Okay, so Gandhiji decided to suspend Rowlatt Satyagraha. So these are 3 after effects of Jallianwala Bagh massacre. I hope that you understood every point. If you are having any doubt, you can ask me question in comment section. I will try my best to resolve your problem. Thank you. Bye for now. Khuda Hafiz.